it matter? He's a brilliant stylist and you've got him sweeping floors.
That's what he's paid for.
He used to manage his grand salon.
A few blue rinses for grandma is not the same as real hairdressing.
I'm just as good as you.
He sounds better than this photo. He's not checking himself out in the mirror. Bet he even kisses the reflection when he's on his own.
Kylie, good enough. You're fired. Get out and take a Rottweiler with me.
This time next year, they'll be back to buy this epoxy salon.
Go back to Granny, that's all you're fit for.
I'll do it from you. I'll shove that brush up your nose.
Show him out, Jenson.
There.
Show him out.
That's what then.
Yeah, well, now what am I going to do?
Show him out. What?
This is awkward. Coronation Street is sponsored by Harvey's Feel Good Furniture.
What's he
What
doing?
is it you're planning to save? You want to be sure your money's working as hard as it can. With a Lloyd's Steve's-been fixed rate cash ISA, put £10,000 or more away for 2 years and you'll earn a tax-free interest rate of 3.7%.
Poor Teddy.
For more information about our 2-year fixed rate ISA, visit us in branch.
Poor Teddy.
TSB for the journey.
What's happened to poor
Have you
Teddy?
done that thing where they take the skin from your
What's
knee
he doing?
and stretch it over your face?
What are you doing, Jenson? What's that?
I need that as well.
Oh God, here we go again. Here we go again. I'm fascinated by cameras. What? Not having it. No, I don't care what noise you make.
For the title.
You're not having it. You little baby. You big baby. You big baby. Oh, you got it. You got it. Can't eat that. That's lens cap. Get off. Get off. Get off. Wait. Get off. You break it, you little kid. You break it. Yeah, Mummy ruined your phone.
Tony, the girls are
No.
coming over in a minute.
You're not having it. You little tyke. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off the camera.
So it's deliciously silky. Introducing our new holding
You silly face.
instinct.
You silly face. He's a silly boy then.
And I want you to join me at
He's a
Race for
silly
Life.
boy then.
There'll be a 5K event near you.
He's a silly boy then.
Jump up 200
He's a silly boy then.
Because the more of us who enter, the more we'll raise.
It's hypnotising. You under my trunk.
Who will you race for life?
Look into my eyes.
Enter now on 0800 088 7000 or visit raceforlife.org.
Get off. Get off.
Get your garden
Get
grown
off.
beautifully with the right plants and ideas for
Little
any
toe rag.
outdoor space.
Get off.
With simple how-to
That's
guides
it.
on planting and gardening.
That's enough. You'll break it.
Be inspired by lots of exciting
Don't bite there either.
Choose from.
Don't be biting there either, little fella.
Getting the best
Get off.
outdoors is
No. No.
home base. Make a house a home.